Ardex Scoretech Co. Limited is a subsidiary of Ardex Group Germany. We design, manufacture, and sell dry motor products based on German technology. Our production base located in Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province covers an area of 20,000 square meters. We have obtained certifications of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and a number of product certifications. The solar power facilities at the production base realize the objectives of energy saving and low carbon production. Based on German technology, we have the research capability to design products for specific property requirements to fulfill customers' need. Zero-emission concealed silos for storing raw materials. Manufactured sand is completely dried before used. Dried sands are sieved into different grading ranges. Oversized sands and dust collected at production lines are recycled for use to achieve the objective of zero dumping. The production base is equipped with 5 automated production lines and 3 palletizing and stacking lines, and it can produce 3 different products simultaneously. Automatic weighing systems ensure accurate batching of raw materials. Compulsory mixers enable thorough mixing of raw materials. Automated packaging system ensures occupational safe and healthy work environment. Polythene sheet wrapping facilities prevent moisture contamination to products. The base also has environmentally friendly design staff rest areas and greening areas, as well as organic planting areas to cultivate the environmental awareness of the staff. The production base can reach all GBA cities within 2 hours through highly efficient transportation network. Ardex Scoretech is your reliable partner in your construction works.